Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Powered by Shopify on your footer. Let's get started. So in here, I have here the online store. So just scroll down until you can see this customize. So click on customize right here and you should be able to see your actual store and you should be able to edit it from in there. So in here, let's just scroll on this left sidebar and in here we can see the footer. So on the footer, we can see that we have the Powered by Shopify right here. Now, when you click on the footer right here, you can see the options for the heading as well as the subscribe emails, follow and shop, social media icons, and all these things right here. But one thing you can't find is the Powered by Shopify option. So what we can do is we need to exit this first. And then instead of clicking customize, you need to click on these three dots. Click on this edit default theme content. Now, once you're in here, you can see everything right here, but there's a lot of items as you can see. So just click on this search bar right here and let's search in here for powered. And in here, you can see this powered by all of these things right here. So what we can do is we can actually leave it blank, just like this. We click on save. And as you can see, once it's been saved, as you can see, it's been updated. Now let's head over and view our store. Now, on our store right here, we now see our store. So scroll down to the footer. And as you can see right now, the Powered by Shopify has been removed and we don't see it anymore. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.